cried yesterday. I know I like my vlogs to be very happy and motivative, but this is the reality. I was all alone, but loneliness never really made me cry because I like my space and I feel I'm more productive when I'm alone. But this was the first time when I was away from Parizara, and this was the same time when I found out that maybe I will not be able to meet Khalisi anymore. मैं हमेशा सोचती थी जब मैं वापस जाऊंगी खलीसी मेरी आवाज़ सुन के दौड़ के आएगी माओ माओ करते हुए लाइक हाउ शी यूज टू डू, और शायद से अब मैं आवाज़ कभी नहीं सुन पाऊंगी. एंड दैट्स द हेवी फीलिंग which I have been getting the whole time. I can never forget her, but I think I'll have to let her go now. Alexa, switch on the bedroom bulb. The initial days feels like कि बस बिस्तर पे लेटे रहो. It feels like as if there is nothing good to look forward to. But trust me, a fresh start always helps. I always feel that animals give you more positivity than human beings. And in my case, Dinah was there to help me out, knowingly or unknowingly. And then there was Chavanni. Yes, I haven't told you guys about Chavanni because we weren't sure we want to have one more pet. But then she kind of became like a family. Chavanni! Chavanni! She's the cutest, adorable thing. She was crying one day when I think probably she must be 4 months or something. And Sumit was on a walk and he saw and he just got her home.
You think it's a soft toy? You think it's a soft toy? You think it's a soft toy?
It was a time when we got Pari and Dinah operated. We got Chavanni vaccinated. अब हम उसको खाना देते हैं and वो हमारे घर के बाहर ही सोती है. She became such good friends with Pari. ज़ारा के साथ थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है because ज़ारा as it is कोई friends बनाती नहीं है. But the best part about her is that she has become such a great friends with Dinah. मतलब It is just so beautiful to see a dog and a cat play with each other. They greet each other every morning and then the whole day starts. If you know me, then you know this well that painting takes away all my sorrows. And then I have a lot of requests piled up, so I had to finish that. Even though I have my office work, I like to keep a balance. And then one more thing which kept me going was having a routine. I try to do yoga every morning. This is not something to reduce weight or something, but this is for my back strengthening. I like to do this when it is more quiet and only birds singing in the background and a very mellow meditative tune. After some days, life becomes so much better. Everything becomes so beautiful. The surrounding, everyone. I guess everything is quite temporary. Sadness is just a phase of life. In that moment, it feels like it's never going to end ever. But then it's all in our head. By the way, I'm having chia seed mango pudding. It is yummy. You should try. As you all know that we have a very tiny house. So every time I do my office work, I have to take away all my painting stuff, and then every time I have to do my painting work, I have to take away all my office stuff. So I have to change the whole setup as per my work.
Here you go. No.
I just found out that I'm going home as in to Amritsar. I will be meeting Parizara. Um, and I'm just so happy. So yeah. Okay, before I go, I just wanted to show you how the painting turned out. The painting which I've been making since like a week now, and then this is how it turned out. I think I'm gonna show it. मतलब अभी ठीक से नहीं दिख रहा है, but I will show it. And then I also wanted to show you guys the paintings which I was making for this another request, and that is also complete, and she loved it. Okay, so this is basically her house, which she had sent me the picture, and Connaught Place, Sarojini Nagar, Red Fort, and Jama Masjid, Humayun Tomb, Shishganj Gurdwara, and then Qutub Minar. So now I will start packing. By the way, Sumit is not back. This another glass is for a friend. It's good to be around friends and neighbors, and I am glad that I was with them. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog with Pari and Zara. Bye bye, take care.
Dearest gentle reader, did you miss me? It's good to be home. Certainly is. As the season begins, the question on everyone's mind is,